Assalamu alaikum. Warm greetings to all. Dear children, it's me Salwa ma'am, your biology teacher. My dears, as you all know, on September 25th, you have LEAP examination. See, as our biology part concerned, you have to focus our lesson to components of food. You can expect many questions from that lesson. Dear children, here you have some questions. See, please study it. Okay, don't waste your time. All the best. Let's start. Okay. Yes, question number 1. The essential components of our food are called. What is the answer? Yes. Here you have the options: fats, nutrients, minerals and roughage. What is the answer? Yes, nutrients. Okay, we already learned that our body requires some essential components. They are called nutrients. Okay, dears? Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a protective food? Listen the options: milk, oils and fats, fruits and cereals. Okay. Which is the answer? Yes, no doubt. Fruits. We already learned that, our food groups are classified into 3 groups: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Clear? Okay. Third question. The food component present in sugar is? Which are the options? Yes, fats, proteins, vitamins and carbohydrates. Yes, which is the answer? Correct. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. The food component present in sugar is carbohydrate. Next, fourth question. The percentage of water in the human body is? The percentage of water in the human body is? Listen the options: 35, 70, 40 and 90. See, which is the answer? 70%. Okay, please note it. The amount of water in the human body is different in different person. It may be vary according to age and according to the health and fitness and all. Okay. Next question. Foods like pizza, burger and noodles are rich in carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. What is the answer? Yes, carbohydrates. Foods like pizza, burger and noodles are rich in carbohydrates. Okay. Moreover, they included in junk foods. Clear? Okay. Next question. Dash provide more than double the energy provided by the carbohydrates or proteins in human body. We already learned it. What is the answer? Fats. Okay, fats provide more energy than carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, roughages, etc. Okay, dears? Okay. Now we discussed 6 questions. Next question, listen. The component of food which help our body to fight against infection is proteins, fats, carbohydrates and starch. What is the answer? Yeah, proteins. Next, eighth one. Dash is essential for forming hemoglobin in the blood. Calcium is there, iron is there, phosphorus is there and magnesium. The answer is iron. Iron. Next, ninth one. The disease caused by the deficiency of iron is anemia, dysentery, chickenpox and malaria. Answer is anemia. We already studied that what are deficiency diseases. See, deficiency diseases are the diseases that caused due to the lack of nutrients for a long period of time. See, there are different types of deficiency diseases. See, we can prevent deficiency diseases by following balanced diet. Okay. The disease caused by the deficiency of iron is anemia. Understood? Okay. Next question. The mineral which controls the functioning of thyroid is phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, iodine. What is the answer? Iodine. Iodine. Okay. Next question. The disease caused by the deficiency of iodine. Anemia is there, goiter is there, chickenpox is there and swine flu. What is the answer? No doubt. That is goiter. Okay. The disease caused due to lack of iodine in our body. The disease name is goiter. Okay, goiter. Clear? Then 12th question. Dash helps to maintain a constant body temperature in our body. May I repeat the question? Dash helps to maintain a constant body temperature in our body. Yeah, water is there, roughage is there, vitamins and energy giving food. What is the answer? No doubt it is water. Okay, water helps to maintain a constant body temperature in our body. Understood? Okay. Next question. Our body needs dash liters of water every day. Half liter, 2 to 3 liter, 7 to 8 liter and 10 to 15 liter. Which is the answer? Yes, right. 2 to 3 liters. Okay. Next, 14th one. Deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates in infants leads to? Yes. Answer is marasmus. See, marasmus is a deficiency disease found in infants. Okay. Next, rickets is caused by the deficiency of? Yes, it is very familiar for you all. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Then 16th one. Excessive body weight due to overnutrition leads to dash. Yes, obesity. Okay, the answer is obesity. Next one. Vitamins and minerals are protective food, bodybuilding food, energy giving food and none of this. What is the answer? Yeah, protective food. Okay, vitamins and minerals are included in protective food. Clear? Okay, next one. Jaggery is a good source of fats, proteins, vitamins and carbohydrates. Which is the answer? Yeah, right. Carbohydrates. Jaggery is good source of carbohydrates. Got it? Okay. Next, 19th one. The highest concentration of minerals are found in bones and teeth, skin, arms and legs, and none of these. Highest concentration of minerals. Yes, the answer is bones and teeth. Bones and teeth. Next one. Iodine is used to test the presence of dash in the food. What's the answer? Yes, correct. Starch. Okay. Iodine is used to test the presence of starch. Okay. Then, which of the following is a protein source of plant origin? Egg is there, soybean is there, cheese is there and milk is there. The answer is soybean. Remaining all are animal products. See the question. Which of the following is a protein source of plant origin? So the answer is soybean. Next question. The mineral we get from fish is iodine, magnesium, iron, none of these. The answer is iodine. Okay. The mineral we get from fish is iodine. Understood? Okay, my dears. Then, 23rd. Which of the following does not contain sugar? Listen to options. Glucose, apple, potato and grapes. The answer is potato. Potato. Okay. Next one. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin B1. What is the answer? Very good. Vitamin A. We discussed different deficiency diseases in the lesson components of food. See, as you all know, night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, vitamin B. Lack of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi. Lack of vitamin C leads to scurvy. Lack of vitamin D leads to rickets. Okay. Then the last question. Benedict solution is used to test the presence of dash in food. Yes, sugar. Benedict solution is used to test the presence of sugar in food. Okay, dears? Okay. Dears, now we discussed 25 questions from our lesson components of food. Study well. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye.